Hey everybody, my name is Cannon. I'm a co-founder of More Technologies, the creators of MOREbot. MOREbot is a 3D printable robot ecosystem that works for students in the 4th grade all the way up to the 4th year in college. It starts with simple 3D printed parts and wooden dowels. All of these parts just snap together. You can quickly expand onto that though and build simple structures. For example, a windmill. This can be put together by an elementary student, a middle schooler, or even a college student. But you can go even further. This is the base robot. It's the entry point robot to our ecosystem. It has 2 wheels and drives around, and is driven by an Arduino Uno. We use this to teach kids C++, how to work with electronics and sensors, how to work with designing their own 3D printed parts. But let's say your students aren't yet ready for the Arduino, or are even ready to go past it. You can use things like a MicroBit or a Raspberry Pi on this. But, like most things in the MOREbot ecosystem, it doesn't stop with this robot. You can even create a fully functioning drone. With MOREbot, you can almost say that sky's the limit. We feel like from the time we're born to the time that we enter the real world, we live our lives by a set of rules, curriculum, and guideline. But in the real world, there's no instruction manual. You've got to be creative and be able to solve problems. We created MOREbot because we wanted to teach students to go beyond the assembly manual and create tech, not just consume it. We're looking for innovative educators to join us as we work to bring MOREbot to students across the world. So join us, and we can't wait to see what you create.